Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Depop for sneaker reselling. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and download and install the Depop application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, as you can see, a bunch of people are already selling sneaker here in Depop, so it's not going to be a big problem in order to go ahead and do so. All you need to do is click on the sell button down here, click on start selling, take a image of your shoes, preferably make it in a good background, so not something like this, but something like this would be highly better, and also make the description and the text a little better, because normally, as you can see, it's not going to be a bunch of information here. It just says Nike trainers, and so on. But you can have a much better description nowadays. You could also use a chat GPT to write a prompt to write a description and then write the description itself, which is going to make it a lot more better. Also use the boost feature. So as you can see, it says boosting feature. You can simply go ahead and select your product and then click on boost, and then it will be boosted. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.